Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change to cash account using the Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Robinhood application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and actually sign up to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that. Log in into your account and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here I'm just going to open my Robinhood application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. And as you can see here, they'll actually asking me to enter a PIN code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they'll not ask you to do anything like that. But the second time you open the application, they will actually ask you to set a PIN code. Then start using this PIN code whenever you open or go into the application. So my PIN code here is just 4 zeros. Of course, try to make a stronger one, not just like me. I'm just here for testing. So here, as you can see, I will have here an option called fund account. So let's just ignore that. So first of all, let me just tell you, you cannot use the application if you didn't activate your account or verify your account, then add funds to your account, at least $1, or using the application on the United States. Of course, in person, like maybe you are living in the United States, or just using a VPN. Of course, you'll find out how to do all of that in this channel. Go check them out, the videos. So of course, as we said, we would like to change to cash accounts. So if you already have the full options, as we said, you did all what I said here, just go and open, navigate to your accounts tab. So just go and click on that, which is at the bottom right corner. Then click at the icon settings at the bottom, at the top left corner, which is the menu settings. So here you'll actually find investing if you have the full options. I don't know, I don't have it here. Then you'll find the day trade section or settings. All you need to do, just go and toggle on the switch to cash account. Of course, if you maybe have investing here. So for me, I cannot click on that yet because I don't have the full access. So just go and click on that again. Click at trade. Day trade settings, then switch to cash account. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.